Tonight, broken promises and angry voters are making an incendiary mix for the McGuinty government. MPs are out in the ridings to promote yesterday's budget, but with fee increases and new health insurance premiums, it's a tough sell. You can hear it on the streets.
Doesn't mean much usually anyways for them. Usually expect them to lie.
On the airwaves.
He knew Buddy well, but he stood and lied.
Even at the places where we go to unwind.
I've never been in a picket line, and God damn it, I'm at the point I probably would.
There's a fury in the land over the provincial budget, and the lightning rod, an Ottawa, just like ourselves.
I could balance the budget. I could hold the line on taxes, and I could proceed merrily to gut public services. I'm being straight with the people of Ontario. I choose, based on my consultations with you, not to do that.
In the Ontario legislature, that would be called unparliamentary language. But there's been quite a bit of it on the streets of Ottawa today. For many voters, the day after the budget is one of anger. Not just for another political promise broken, but for an unexpected hit to the pocketbook.
Well, the imposition of user fees and increased health care costs, even for some of our clients, the extra hundreds of dollars a year is going to impact their personal budgets greatly. And this is going to hurt a lot.
You pay into certain things, helping the government will help you eventually. But everything they say that they're going to do, they just turn around and do the opposite thing.
McGuinty's ministers say they're just giving voters what they want.
We've sided with those people who want a health care system that's sustainable and an education system that meets the demand of the 21st century. And I don't make apologies for that.
But a poll of support for the health care premium says otherwise.
What we found was that almost half, a little more than 48% of people who said they would vote Liberal oppose this thing. The court of public opinion, of course, is known to change its judgments over time. One reason why governments tend to put the bad economic news at the beginning of a mandate, hoping that voter attitudes will soften by the end. Now, that next verdict is still some 4 years away for the McGuinty government. What remains to be seen is whether that will be enough time to repair what, for some voters, has become a matter of trust.
Disappointed, really disappointed. I think any politician who makes a promise and doesn't keep to it should resign forthwith.
By the way, that overnight poll by Hollenshed Research says that the Liberals still lead with 31% of the decided vote against the Tories' 23%. Now, critics argue it's middle-income families who will take the worst